There is something so deeply healing about being out in nature. And it's not just about the beauty that we see. It's the energy we feel. Nature is pure, unconditional love. And she asks for nothing, yet she gives us everything. When we breathe her in, our energy begins to settle and realign, because we are a part of her. We're not separate from the earth. We are her heartbeat, her breath, her reflection in human form. That's why we feel so at peace when we're by the ocean, by the rivers, by the streams, or walking through the trees. It's our soul remembering where it belongs. And that's why it's so important that we remind our children of this, to teach them to care for nature, to love her, to see her as part of themselves. Because when they learn to honour the earth, they learn to live from the same unconditional love. This is where I'd like to take our earth. Hopefully you have that same appreciation of nature that I do. Blessings.